Here are the sounds from lesson 7. W, x, j, w, x, j. Repeat the new sounds after me. V, 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 z, 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 z. Two Z's has the same sound as one Z. Z, 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 z. At the beginning of a word, Y is a consonant. This is the first sound we will learn. We will learn the other sounds of Y in other lessons. Y, 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 y. Let's review the new sounds from this lesson. Try to say them before I do. Z, y, v, z, y, z, v. First, say the sounds slowly, then say them fast. B, uz, buzz. F, is, fizz. Z, ip, zip. Z, ag, zag. V, at, vat. V, et, vet. F, ox, fox. B, ox, box. F, ix, fix. Y, s, yes. J, as, jazz. Jazz is a type of music. Y, et, yet. Let's practice our two words that have one letter. Remember, this one has two pronunciations. The most common is You will sometimes hear it be pronounced a, especially if the person is trying to emphasize the word after it. I, a. I. Here is a very important word. Sometimes the letter S has the sound of Z. This is one of those times. This word is. There are other times that S is pronounced as a Z. That will be covered in other lessons. Repeat after me. Is. 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 Here's a test to see if you are ready to move on to lesson 9. See if you can say the sounds before I do. A, b, k, d, e, f, g, I, j, k, o, m, n, a, s, t, v, w, x, y, z, a, b, k, d. I, j, k, o, n, a, s, t, v, w, x, y, z. Read the word slowly, then read it fast. V, et, vet. V, at, that. Z, ig, zig. Z, ag, zag. F, is, fizz. Y, s, yes. Y, at, yet. J, as, jazz. B, buzz. Is, I. A. D, og, dog. A, dog. A dog. A dog is mad. A dog is mad. Vet. A vet is a doctor for animals. It is short for the word veterinarian. A vet. A vet is sad. A vet is sad. At, pet. I got a pet. I got a pet. I got a pet dog. I got a pet dog. A cat sat on a pig. A cat sat on a pig. A pig jumps on a box. A pig jumps on a box. A rat is on top. A rat is on top. Let's practice our sounds with some nonsense words. These are fake words, don't guess. The purpose of reading nonsense words is to see if you know the sounds well. Oz, vase. Up, zup. Id, yid. Ob, yob. Ag, yag. Axe, yaks. Op, vop. Ed, ved. Vum,